Hey guys, hello, what is poppin'? What's the gossip? What has everyone been up to? I have a giant pile of boxes next to me, like, whoo, if you could just see, whoo, it's like real high. So hello. I don't know why I have this like random urge to film right now. It's 10 o'clock at night on a Wednesday. So hello, shalom. So the whole thing is I did an I did an Instagram live today, and I asked you guys, well, someone actually brought it up first. They said, can you do more PR unboxing hauls on your channel? And I was like, do people like those? Do you guys like those? And probably about 80% of you guys said that you did like them and want me to do more. So I have a lot of packages here from before I moved. So it's quite accumulated, and I need to go through them anyway. So maybe you just want to hang out and have me in the background while you're doing your dishes. That's kind of what I do with like PR unboxing videos. Should we light a candle too? Let's get cozy. Oh my god. Let's get cozy. Yeah, by cozy, I mean a candle beach. Okay. Can you guys smell the oh, here it is. The autumn. Cute little scenic moment. I should be more careful because it's fire. There's something about a candle, it just makes things cozy. Okay, yeah, so these kind of videos, I don't know, I can't really like just sit and watch them. So like, but I like to have these kind of videos on while I'm like chillin', doing dishes. Maybe I should lower you so you can actually see what's in the box, huh? Just while you're hanging out, you know, little background noise like you're hanging out with a bud. Or maybe you're just killing time and you have some popcorn. So this first one is very, very heavy. This first one is from Laura Geller. I haven't gotten any PR from them in a long time, so thank you for not forgetting me. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas to me, I guess. Whoa. I also just put on lip plumper and it is burning. This is from the Soap and Glory, and it's their plumping lip gloss. There's Pillow Talk. The color is called Nude in Town. So we have, oh, that's so cute. They gave you a prepaid FedEx envelope to send one to like a friend. Pass it on. We heard you get a lot of samples. We don't want them to waste, so here's an envelope to spread the love. That is amazing, and I really respect that because I get a lot of PR. I mean, we all kind of do, us YouTubers, but I give a lot to friends. I donate a lot, but this is just a really cute concept. So very cute, Laura Geller. So we have a new foundation here. It's called Filter First Luminous Foundation. Okay, let's see, what are the claims? Your favorite filter in a bottle. Each drop of our Filter First foundation, a unique blend of micro pearls, breathable complexion true filter that blurs your imperfections. It's vegan. It's got grapeseed oil to hydrate, soothing aloe vera. Then it also has concealer, which it says it's really brightening and luminous. So okay, I can't wait to try this. We're gonna have to do like a first impressions or something. Thank you so much, Laura Geller. I have been wanting to try some new foundations, so that's on our list, guys. Okay, let's move on to this cute little box here from the Balm. You guys know I love the Balm. So how are you guys doing? I moved in a few days ago, a little more than that now. I'm opening this upside down. Are you guys all ready for fall? Are you over the summer? Are you guys more summer people or fall people? Do you like when the weather gets colder? Let me know. I'm a fall girl, y'all know. That's like what this whole channel is about. So I'm very excited about fall. All right. Ooh, we got some bubble wrap. Disappointing. Unleash your inner rock goddess with the new alternative rock face palettes. Ooh, look how cute. The Balm always has the cutest packaging. So it's like a cute little, oh my god, it looks like CDs. Ow, really cute. All right, let's see. Oh my god, these look so cute. Oh my god, it even comes with like, you know how CDs come with these little posters or whatever they are. This is so cute. Okay, so let's look at these palettes. They're all the alternative rock palettes. Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 1, Volume 2. Okay, so they gave me 2 sets. So it comes with 2 different kinds. Volume 1. Oh yes, it has a mirror. It always matters to have a mirror. This is super pretty. It's all kind of like purple based. We have a nice amount of like matte and shimmer. Ooh, super, super shimmery and gorgeous. This would be a nice crease shade as well. So this is a gorgeous palette. I get a lot of questions about like a good purple palette. So that's super beautiful. Now let's see volume 2. So this one's like a little bit more neutral. I love this. Like it almost looks kind of like coppery, gunmetal, rose gold. That's super gorgeous. This would be a really beautiful fall palette. You have that nice matte black and then like a nice shimmery highlight shade. So I really like this. I can see myself using this one probably more than anything. I mean, on the day-to-day, you guys know I love like a nice neutral look because I'm basic. Thank you to the Balm. I never, like, this will never feel real to me. Like, I don't understand how I am worthy of getting sent all this stuff, but I'm very thankful. It's thanks to you guys. So thank you for, you know, coming and hanging out and liking me for some weird reason. Okay, we have from Revlon, we have the Plush It Real Good. Ooh, push it real good, BP. I also don't really know, it's like my natural hair texture. It's just like not really straight, it's not really wavy. I don't know what it is. All I know is my lips are tingling real good right now. Ooh, okay. So we have the Cushion Lip Tints from Revlon. Love this little case, make it simple and easy. Okay, so let's just take one out here. We have a good, take one out, she takes them all. We have a really good variety of colors here. We have a nice amount of like plums, reds, nudes. There's more in the bag as well. Ooh, we have like some really nice dark shades for the fall. So let's just grab this nice little nude one here because, you know, basic. But this one's called Pretty Kiss. I just want to see what like the texture is like. What does it say about it? Let's do some reading here. Plush tip for a lush lip. Some people love when I talk in my British accent. Some people are like, Alex, shut up. A moisturizing tint with a balm-like finish that dries down for the ultimate stained lip look. Pillowy soft cushion tip. Okay, that sounds amazing. Let's check it out, guys. I'm intrigued by the packaging here. It's kind of different looking. Oh, little like styrofoam tip. Oh, I wish I didn't have anything on my lips. Oh, I can feel it coming. It's getting more difficult to twist. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, pretty nude. I really like the way that it like applies. It feels like very like soft and smooth, and that applicator is really nice. So it said it dries down for like the ultimate stained lip. These retail for only $9.99. So it's the look of a stain but the comfort of a balm. Lips feel moisturized and smooth, and it has coconut oil in it as well. It feels really good. It feels just super, super balmy. So that's super cool that it stains. I'm definitely gonna be wearing that. Make sure you like subscribe and watch like vlogs and stuff, or get ready with me, because that's pretty much when I get to like try these products out. This is just a little unboxing. I don't know, sometimes it's nice to just like watch these videos and hang out. All right, where is this next one from? Oh, wait. This is a little something special. I'm gonna shoot for you guys, little lingerie. Okay, never mind, that is the lingerie. So I don't know what's in this one. All right. The moment of truth. What is in this box here? Can you guys do, oh my god, can you guys roll your, like your R's, like, oh, can you do that? Because I was hanging out with Mark earlier and he couldn't do it and it was driving him crazy. Ooh, oh, yes, It Cosmetics, dun dun dun. Okay, so, ooh, Love is the foundation brush. Oh my god, look how cute this brush is. Is this brush in here? Oh my god. Look how cute this little case is. It says, it's your most beautiful you. Oh my god. I am quaking. This is like just screaming Valentine's Day to me. I'm not okay. This is So cute. Oh my God. Oh, that sound was satisfying. Okay, look at this. Oh, look at this brush. It's so cute. I'm not even okay. I hope it's gonna focus on it somehow. Do you see all these little hearts? And then this is shaped like a heart, and it's so soft. If you guys like have tried It Cosmetics brushes, you know how incredibly soft they are. It's like the perfect like buffing brush for liquid and cream foundation. Oh my God, this is so cute. I just like really love stuff like that. So thank you, It Cosmetics. You guys are always like so good to me, and I don't understand. Okay, this one has a bunch of fragile stickers on it. Alexandra, what is you doing, baby? Okay. Okay. Okay, so this, ooh, we have big bubble wrap. I hope my neighbors didn't hear me. Oh, yes. This is something special for a project coming up. Okay, so I am gonna unbox the BoxyCharm for the month as well. I don't know if this one is for September or October, probably September, right? I apologize that my channel's a slight mess right now. It's just getting back into life, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? But I appreciate you guys being here because, you know, life. So let's go ahead through this BoxyCharm. I already see a Laura Geller blush, which looks so gorgeous. Like, look at her. Gorgeous. Totally gorgeous. Like this really pretty like natural sheen, because I don't really love blush that's like super shimmery. I typically go for like a matte blush or maybe like a very natural glow, and this has a very pretty natural glow. This is the Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropic Hues. So pretty. Then we have from Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer and base. Let's be honest, you know, I'm always down for a good eyeshadow base because my eyes are really weird. Like over the last couple of years, I've had like some weird issues with my eyeshadows creasing. Like I went back to my favorite MAC paint pot and my eyes were still creasing. So I only have a couple that really work for me, so we'll try this one out and I'll let you know how it is. Also, I'm sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder. It's because my focus on my camera has been very wonky, and it's driving me crazy. Here we have from Lorac, we have their Pro Matte Lip Color. Ooh, in Cabernet. This looks so perfect for fall. You guys know fall lips are the best lips. Okay, ooh, yep. Do you see this little sneak peek on the end here? Oh my God. Yep. Oh wow. So perfect for fall. It's like this perfect wine burgundy tone, and this will make your teeth look super white too because it's very like coolly undertoned. So a little tip and trick, if you did not know, if you want your teeth to look like super white, go for a lip shade that is on the cool side. It will make such a huge difference if you want your teeth to like really pop. And if you're looking for like a good red with a cool undertone, my favorite of all time is Ruby Woo from MAC. So good. Lastly, we have an eyeshadow palette and some eye brushes. The eye brushes are from, I don't know, but they're really cute. Rose gold and green. It just feels very like fall to me. These are from Alamar. I've definitely tried this brand before in a different box. This looks like a really nice crease brush though. Then we also have just like a flat brush and a little straight edge brush here. So love that. And the palette is from Pretty Vulgar. I want to say, have I tried this brand before? You guys like literally know more than I do. I'm pretty sure I've tried this brand before, maybe from a BoxyCharm, but it's the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I want to play with this literally right now. Look how pretty these colors are. So pretty. It's like a cute little bird cage, but I have it upside down. So we have a nice little variety again of shimmer and matte. We have some nice highlight shades, some nice crease depth shades. Let's see how the pigment is. Ooh, wow. Super pigmented. Wow. I want to swatch them all. Wow, these look really nice, and it has a nice big juicy mirror as well. Oh wow, look at that one swipe. That middle shade is stunning. So I thought I had more than this. I guess that really wasn't that much. A couple boxes I realized were things like for work, or just things that I ordered, like a little bit of clothing. So I wanted to just stick to like beauty on this haul, but I'm gonna just put all this stuff away now. And yeah, I again just really appreciate you guys being patient during this time, just because like I know I came back after a little bit of a break, and I'm just still like trying to like get set up in my apartment right now. I haven't been here long enough yet to do like an apartment tour, but I just wanted to sit down and film for you because I love filming, and it felt so good to be on like Insta stories and to hang out. I love spending time with you guys. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. I've been doing lives literally almost like every day because, you know, got more free time. So anyway, yeah, follow me over there. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to do more of these in the future, give it a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.